Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So in this tutorials we have to learn, we have to show this hatching for this window. Okay, and then we have to do the hatching. We'll show the window as well as we'll do the hatching. Okay, so in the previous tutorials we have drawn already this staircase, sunk, slab, all those things. Now we have to draw this window height. So you can see this is the window height is given. So window height is from here to here. This bathroom window is 0.15. Okay, and so 0.15. So what you will do, take Excel, H for horizontal, and you can place here. Now move this 0.15. 1.5. Okay, not 0.1. Move this one 1.5. 1.5 meter. Okay, and the height is 0.6. Check it from this point to this point, 0.6. 100 mm is the frame. So now offset this 0.6. Okay, and then again offset 0.1, 100 mm. Now we have to select another color. I'm going to take the red color. You have to take one line mid between two lines. So from the center you have to take one line and offset simply 0.02, both side, this side and this side, and select the center line and erase it. Now take rectangle, you can simply draw the rectangle here. So this is your window. And next is door. So you have to draw the door as well here. So please select this two line and you can draw the door here. Okay, here double enter, offset this 0.02, both sides, select the center line and erase it. So this is your door. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now you have to show this window height for this headroom. So from here you can see this is the 0.3. So offset 0.3 and 2.96. So what you will do, simply select and erase it. Take again 0.3, offset here 0.3, 0.3. Okay, and then offset 2.96. This headroom window height. Okay, now take one line here, simply draw this, draw like this, offset 0.02 each side. So this side and this side. Simply select the center line, erase it, and now you have to match this one. So type MA, match command, can match it. Okay, you can trim this like this. You can draw the line here, Okay, select these two lines, join this, select these two, please join, select these two, join. This will be your polyline. Select these two, join. Okay, so this is the window for this headroom. Now the next is we have to do the hatching. We have to show this beam. Okay, here you can see here, this is the beam. Simply show the beam, then we will do the hatching. So what you will do, offset this one 0.18 from here. So this is your beam. Erase it. So this is your beam. Okay. Now the next is here also you can show the beam, offset 0.18. Take one line. From here move down 0.18. Okay. So this is your beam for this headroom. TR double enter. TR double enter just to trim the extra line. Okay. Now use match property. Match this. Okay. So this is your elevation section plan. So now we will do the hatching. So simply use the hatching, H, type H for hatching. Now you can select this concrete and you can select the color here from here as well. I'm going to take this color and 0.2. So I think 0.01. Okay, so it's okay, 0.01. Simply hatch. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to select another color from here. I'm going to take this. Okay. This is your concrete 0.01. Now for this staircase, again type H. Again I'm going to take concrete, another color. I'm going to take the yellow, or I'm going to take this green, and do the hatching for this one. Okay. Okay. This is a staircase. Now for this roof, type H. Select another color. So I am going to select this blue and change this one as well. So this time I am going to change this, H this. Okay, this one. The slab. Now next is this floor slab. Type H. And floor slab you can also can use this one and this. Okay, there you go. Okay, now you can simply save this. So this is hatching is done. So in the next tutorials, the remaining things we have to show the dimension text. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.